class. So we are still discussing on your chapter 2, that is your section 2, the earlier societies. In the previous class we have discussed about various phases of Stone Age. So today we won't go in another discussion. I will just directly give you some notes, okay? But before that, let's do the tick the correct one, okay? Multiple choice question here. The Stone Age has been divided into A. 2 stages, 3 stages, 4 stages and 5. The answer is 3 stages. Number 2. People were first A. coppersmiths, carpenter, food gatherer and food producer. So they are food gatherer. Answer is number C. 3. Altamira caves are in A. Japan, France, Spain, Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Spain. 4. Early people painted A. floor, tools, hut, caves. Answer is caves. Number D. Comes to fill in the blank. Number 1. The shaft of the spear was made from dash. Answer is wood. W-O-O-D, wood. 2. The Mesolithic age began around dash and ended around dash. Answer 10,000 BC, ended around 4,000 BC. Number 3. The largest living bird is the dash. Answer ostrich. Big letter O, okay? O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Number 4. Dash help in cutting and gathering crops. So the early men used sickle, okay, for cutting and gathering their crops. S-I-C-K-L-E, sickle, for answer. Okay, now apart from this, I want to give you an extra question. Question number 1. Give reasons why hunter-gatherers moved from place to place. The answer: hunter-gatherers moved, M-O-V-E-D, moved from place to place in the following reasons. Point number 1. First one is food. They ate wild fruits and roots of plants, wandering, W-A-N-D-E-R-I-N-G, wandering in search of food from place to place. Point number 2. Second, animals. They move from place to place by fearing animals, F-E-A-R-I-N-G, fearing animals like tigers, lions, elephants, great reptiles, great lizard, etc. Point number 3. The third is plants and trees. These bear fruits in different seasons. Full stop. People have to move from place season to season in search of different kind of plants and fruits. Point number 4. Fourth, that is water. People living on the bank of seasonal sources of water have had to go in search of water during dry seasons. So that's question number 1 answer. Now question number 2. What do you understand about the early man? The answer: we understand that or understood that the early man was a hunter, hunting, okay, nomadic, that means wandering here and there, and food gatherer, and he was not a producer of food as he did not know how to produce. Question number 3. Name the archaeological evidence remains in the early period. The answer: they are A. monuments, B. coins, C. ancient pottery and tools. Number D. drawing, E. image, etc. Okay, so these are the evidence that remains in the early period. Question number 4. Name the various phases of Stone Age. Answer. The various phases of Stone Age are: number 1, Paleolithic Age, 2, Mesolithic Age, and number 3 is Neolithic Age. So whatever we have discussed in this chapter till now, these are the 4 questions, okay, extra question. And remember that in your unit test, your first unit test, extra questions are more important than questions in your book, okay.